Welcome to Cosmos Darkroom. In the next 3 minutes, you will process your first astrophoto. No manual editing, no steep learning curve. This is your dashboard. Everything starts here. You get an editor, cinematic animations, and deep field analysis. But today, we focus on the essential workflow. Step 2, upload your stacked image. Fits TIFF, PNG, or JPEG, any telescope, any stacking software. Just drag your file in. Or click to browse. Now the magic happens. 16 processing steps run automatically on our servers. Background extraction, star separation, noise reduction, color calibration. What normally takes hours happens in about 90 seconds. And here is your result. Look at that difference. Now let us polish it in the editor. First, remove the messy edges. Crop the image. Draw your frame. Then hit apply. Much better. Next, the exposure slider. Give the preview a second to update. There it is. And this is stellar control. It adjusts the stars separately from the nebula. Turn the stars off, and the nebula takes the stage. Now switch them back on. Now click Compare. The slider shows your edits against the processed original. Hold the spacebar. It flashes back instantly. When you are happy, export your image. Full resolution, 16-bit, no watermark. Your first astrophoto is ready. Create your free account at cosmosdarkroom.com. You get 3 free credits, no card required. Clear skies.